So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating EGO-BH app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating EGO-BH app. So ayan guys, make sure na nalock. So, login lang natin guys yung ating account. And ayan guys, pagka-open mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap nyo lang dito yung account na nandito sa lower right side. And dito naman guys, sa pinakang account natin, hanapin nyo na dito yung logout. So, kung makita nyo, nandito siya sa pinakang baba. So, tap nyo lang. And then, confirm nyo, are you sure you want to log out? So, confirm lang natin guys, tap ulit natin yung logout. And then guys, after nyan, automatic nakalogout na yung ating account sa EGO-BH app. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. Sana lang katulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.